In this
friends.
video,
Welcome
we will
to
learn
our YouTube channel.
In
In
this
this
video,
video, ID
we
column
will learn
and student
how
name
to
column.
automate student grades reporting.
And
We have
the
the
student
student grades
ID
button
column
will
and
automatically
student name
assign
column.
grades. And we have the student subjects as well. And we have the percentage column and grade column. We have also given grading criteria. Now we only need to input student marks. And
this
the Assign
formula
Grades
always
button will
change values.
automatically
So we
assign
copy
grades
values.
and save our time. Now we are trying our function by assigning marks. We use simple run between formula for marks. Now drag formula to apply on other cells.
But
It
this
not
formula
only gives
always
grade but
change
also
values.
make fail
So we
in red
copy
color.
values.
Again, paste values on the same place. Finally, we simply click on Assign Grades. Now it will automatically count percentage and grades. Now again test formula by changing values. It will automatically assign grades and percentage. You can input marks manually due to real values. We only need to input marks and click on button. Now again test our Assign Grade button. To
It
make
not
it
only
automated,
gives grade,
we
but
need to
also
use
make
macros
fail
function
in red color.
You can match formula with grade criteria. But before that, please support by subscribing our channel. Let's start our example. First, we have the basic data of students. And we need to find the percentage. And similarly, we need grades as well. To
You can
make it
also
automated,
check our latest
we need to
videos
use
on
macros
Facebook
function.
page.
And for that, we need to go on Developer tab. Now click on Record Macro option. We need to name our macro function for reference. It only accepts one word. Now assign shortcut key as per your desired. Description is helpful for self-explanation. It will be helpful for multiple macros function. Now start our working that will record at the back. First, we need to find the percentage. Now add all subject marks. Now divide by 400, considering 100 marks each. Now drop down formula to apply below. This is how we have completed percentage. Now we need to assign grades. We need to grade as per criteria. So we use here function, if formula. For logical test, select percentage cell. Now use greater than equals to assign 90%. If function fills conditions, it will give grade. In the else function, we need to reuse formula. So we copy the formula to save time. After copying the formula, we paste it again. And paste it as per number of conditions. Now we need to make few changes. We only need to change percentage and grade. It will not only save time, but make it easier.
You can also
face
check our
any
latest
issue,
videos on Facebook page.
Facebook page link is also given in description. Now again, we change percentage and grade. Now we need to write else criteria. In the else criteria, we use status fail. Now close all brackets together. Now we need to drag formula to apply below. This is how we have also completed grade column. Now we select the whole grade column. Now go on Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting option. Click on New Rule. Click on the second option and select specific text. Now type our status fail. Click on Format option for formatting. Make the proper format. Now click on OK. You can also use same technique and make desired conditions and formatting. Here you can provide your conditional formatting. Now we have completed our requirements. So we need to close our macro recording. Now click on Stop Recording. Now we need to create button. Click on Developer tab. Use Insert option for macro button. Now paste it as per your desire. Click on our recorded macro. You can also assign name to macro button. Assign name as per your own need. Now test our macro function. Now click on button to check. Again, test macro function by changing marks. You can input marks as per your own need. Macro function is a very powerful tool. It will automate the whole process. We simply need to assign marks and gives result. Now we again test it by changing values. Now again click on Macro button. This is how we can automate whole student reports. If you face any issue, please write in our comment section.